Our mortgage expert who explained how to save tens of thousands of dollars by paying off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years is back. I'm Sylvia Castaneda, and with me is best-selling author Michael Lush, co-founder of Replace Your Mortgage. He's here to talk to us about using a home equity line of credit, or HELOC. Why aren't more banks offering this?
You know, it's interesting. They should be offering it. It is definitely within inside of the wheelhouse of the bank to offer what we call a first lien position home equity line of credit. And it's a more efficient way to pay off your home versus a mortgage.
So then if it works so well, why aren't employees being educated to use this?
Yeah, I think it's two things. One, it hurts the pocketbooks of the banks. If you're paying your home off in an accelerated fashion, you're going to pay a lot less interest than you would on a mortgage. So that's profits that the bank doesn't see. Secondly, it's compensation to the bankers. Because they're earning less profits, the compensation on a home equity line of credit is anywhere from $0 to $700. However, on a mortgage, for doing the exact same paperwork and the exact same effort, they could earn thousands.
Wow, what a difference. Then talk to me about all the great success stories. You've had tens of thousands of people who've been on this program. Talk to us about one.
Yeah, one is Jay Sharp. Jay has actually had tremendous success utilizing our strategy versus what he would have done with a traditional mortgage.
I was really skeptical in the beginning. It just didn't make sense. My parents didn't raise me to think this way, but it's been life-changing for me and my family. We had our mortgage through a traditional mortgage company for about the first 18 months, and we only paid off about $5,000 toward that balance. Over the last 10 months with Replace Your Mortgage, I've paid off $40,000 toward the balance of my home.
So Michael, how can viewers get your bestseller?
Easy. Go to replaceyourmortgage.com and download our free digital copy.
Free, folks, you can't beat that. Thanks so much for sharing, Michael.
Thank you.
For that free digital copy to help you pay off your mortgage fast, to save, visit replaceyourmortgage.com. Today's Take Two segment was sponsored by Replace Your Mortgage. For Take Two segments, go to WKRN.com/Take Two.